Find the directional derivative of the scalar function f at -1, 1, 3 along the vector a equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. We know the directional derivative written as d of a scalar function f along the vector a, that is equal to the dot product of gradient of the scalar function with the unit vector along the direction a, that is equal to gradient of f and unit vector along a is equal to a vector divided by magnitude of a. And we know gradient of a scalar function can be written as del of the scalar function, where del is the vector operator, and del operator can be written as I cap partial derivative with respect to x plus j cap partial derivative with respect to y plus k cap partial derivative with respect to z, and the given scalar function f is equal to x, y, z. So here the scalar function f is equal to x, y, z, and dot product with the unit vector. Unit vector, that means the vector a is given I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by magnitude of a. Magnitude of a means 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square square root. So when you find out the partial derivative of x, y, z with respect to x, then the first term will be equal to I cap yz, and with respect to y, the second term will be equal to j cap x z, and the third term k cap, that will be equal to xy. That means partial derivative of x, y, z with respect to z is equal to xy. And solving the value in the denominator, that is 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 4 plus 4. So this will be square root, that will be equal to 3. So the directional derivative of the scalar function f for the vector or along the vector a at the point -1, 1, 3. That means we put the value of x equal to -1 here, here also. Similarly, the value of y equal to 1, z is equal to 3 here. So I cap y equal to 1, z is equal to 3 plus j cap x equal to -1, z is equal to 3 plus k cap x is equal to -1, y equal to 1. And here the vector is I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 3. So this will remain as it is. So if you solve it, this will be equal to 3 I cap. This term will be equal to minus 3 j cap. This term will be equal to minus k cap. And here this value will be as it is, that is I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 3. So this can be found out by simple dot product of two vectors. That means here I cap exists, j cap that is equal to 1. Similarly k cap dot k cap will be equal to 1. So this will be equal to 3 into 1 3. This will be minus 3 minus 2. So plus 6 minus 1 plus 2. So minus 2 divided by 3. So if you solve it, this will be equal to 7 divided by 3. So the directional derivative of the given function f, which is equal to xyz at the point -1, 1, 3 along the vector a, will be equal to 7 by 3.